In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out Google account from your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up settings, then scroll down until you find Mail. Once we get into it, we need to tap at Accounts and then Gmail. That's where you can find your Google account, and the only way to log it out is just hit right here where it says delete account. That will not delete your actually email account, it will just log it out from your iPhone. That's how you can easily log out your Google account from iPhone.